said before, not agree with Kiko Pangilinan. I'm sorry. I always agree with Bam Aquino. Do you know that Bam Aquino, who was a senator of the Philippines, he opposed about the game ban, like violent? Of course, he just opposed. But it has rated PG. For example, in the video games, rated R, or you remember that any kind of, for example, PS5 game, PS4 game, or I was asked by JD Binyega, so what did you play anyway in PS5? Or Ghost of Tsushima, it's rated R. For me, for those video game content gamers, it has to be put rated R. Like Mark Cruz, he played GTA. You do not know about the GTA is really violence. This is hard to say when you say about video games. And the video games is not related to the shootout in Tacloban. Like Robin Nash are not involved of this, what is that? The gore box. The real problem anyway is their parents. Because they didn't give them guidance to them, because they did not raise them up. For example, when you see, for example, like I remember, I remember Mark Cruz, this guy anyway. Have you even know that he's playing GTA? Mark Cruz? I'm not related to play GTA. Me, when I was in Japan, in Fukuoka, I never buy GTA. That is a reason. For example, Mark Cruz, look at Paulo Cruzada. He was scolded by his parents. Look at Zachary. He was not reprimanded by his parents. That was a tutorial of Teacher May. Because both of them are addicted of playing GTA. But you, Mark Cruz, whenever you play GTA alongside with Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, na play GTA. For me, I'm okay. You can buy a PS4 game. I say to you, Mark Cruz, you like Fast and the Furious, right? You like the character Brian O'Connor. You show me that picture in the thread that your diecast was. Do not play GTA. That is your real problem anyway for those youth. Unlike Mark Cruz. Even Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, GTA. Like Paulo Cruzada, when he played GTA, when he says that ako ang ISIS ng bayan, sa buhay kong Davao City, that is really violence when he play GTA. But unlike, for example, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, she say about magsusuicide bomber ako sa buhay kong Davao City, that she is playing GTA. That is a real violence. But you, Mark Cruz, whenever you play GTA, even Gina Sejo and Jeffrey Sejo playing GTA, making a bomb joke, it's not really good. If I were you, Mark Cruz, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, quit on playing about GTA. You already finished that game also in GTA. I don't like to play GTA 5. It's really violence. As for me, I say to you, Mark Cruz, whenever you play PS4, play about Sims like Bill Galang and Terra Francisco. Carbilus is playing Sims 4. In PS4, I mean not PS4, computer also, you played that. Bill Galang plays his 4 in PS4. Even Who is my friend anyway in my old school in CDIFI? Bill Galang, of course, I know him. Oh, even Terra Francisco. Oh, that is a good being matured. If I were you, Mark Cruz, be matured. Don't be such immature when you play GTA.